Oh my god.
Sound something else, dude. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm not having an orgy. Calm down.
I know
An orgy. Do you want to see it?
Get the other memory card.
Go get it.
So far.
What'd you say?
So far.
What the fuck? Okay, it's the girl from Destiny's Child.
What are you shoving in front of my mouth? Jeez, I'm a guy, not a girl. Dang.
Ew. Can you do this?
I have to get the snake.
What'd you say, Sean?
Let's get the memory stick.
I don't know, I'm too
Where is
lazy.
it?
It's connected to the computer.
Why can't you see?
What the hell was that?
I'm tired.
Oh my god, Kia.
Oh my
He's
god.
a total idiot. Get him out of here.
The total idiot.
What'd you say? Oops.
I did it again.
Barely gone out since what?
I
Since my
played
mom
with
died?
your heart.
Yeah, well, you know what my dad
Not
needs.
often
So I
like
can't
that.
just go out with guys.
Are you sleeping already or are you just talking? No. You laugh like 10 seconds later. Funny. 10 seconds later. So funny. He's gonna die. Thanks for ruining it. Actually, I wouldn't. I've kind of. Actually, yeah, he is gonna die. God, Ren, your butt is in my way. Oh,
Sorry, just set a bigger butt.
look at that! It's like it took up the whole screen. What? Look at that! Oh, whoa, whoa,
Wait,
whoa,
wait, 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 I
whoa!
can't
Oh
see.
my God! What was that?
Wait, I can't see.
Red mark!
Rewind it, Monica.
No, it's
Let me
gross.
see this.
No.
Let me see.
Ew, armpit hair.
Let me see.
Yucky, it's like a bush. Yeah, you're blocking my view.
How do you fucking rewind?
Yeah, armpit hair.
Dude,
You look at that, it's like a bush.
have you like never been with a guy before?
But it's like a bush. Are you rewinding it?
Yeah.
What the? I rewind it and I record that. Okay, bye bye.